come on. Hey, hello. Sorry, my clapped up. All right, everybody in? Yep. Looking for the treasure? Yes. We're looking to herd these two back to the somewhere where they can't wander off and die. Oh man. Y'all are too young to be this drunk in public. Yeah. This is not mine out North Dakota. This is not mine out North Dakota. You're not within 6 blocks of your house.
He's 23 years old. He can take care of him. I'm 21.
Yeah, this isn't mine out North Dakota where you're within 2 blocks of a bar. Well, you are within 2 blocks of a bar wherever you go, but
wherever we are in mine out
it's true. Or church. On the rocks, yeah, it's just kind of sketchy. What? Bones now?